Okay, so 35 millimeter equals 1 second on this graph. So down here we've got me and you, and 35 millimeter is a second. So if light passes between us, you're not going to see much time dilation. And if you start accelerating, so it's on a 45-degree angle, so that'll be half the speed of light. So if you do that in 1 second, 35 millimeter, there's not much time dilation. But when this line here represents 3/4 of the speed of light, and you'll find that 3/4 of the speed of light is 2 times slower, the rate of time. Because if you'll see here, you draw parallel lines, and 135 millimeter over, just so it shows you how it's perceived differently. So instead of 35 millimeter between like these other ones, or this one's 35 millimeter, this one here at 3/4 of the speed of light is 7 millimeter. So that's why you experience time 2 times slower. And I drew another line up here that represents 7/8 the speed of light. So if we're traveling in 1 second, by the time we get to here, that's how far we've traveled, and the light has to take that diagonal route to get to there. And if you'll see up here, this is the corresponding parallel line that you measure off, and this one is 148 centimeters, like it's off the page. And as it says here, it's and that works out to 3.5 times slower, the rate of time. So that'll be 3.5 seconds for every 1 second, and that's purely no time dilation. That's just the transference of information or light between me and you traveling, and the distance between us doesn't really matter. This is just so we could be 1 millimeter apart, 1 meter apart, 100 kilometers apart. It makes no difference, because you'll still experience the same amount of time. The thing that changes the factor in the perception is the lines. So it helps if you do a graph like this. So you show 1 point, but you do a parallel one, and then you measure between it. So, you know, because 3.5 second, 35 millimeter is 1 second, and it takes twice as long to see the other person experience 1 second of time. No time dilation. So yeah. Anyways, have a think about it.